got a question for you. Have you ever been to a children's museum where the kids are the chefs? They mix a little of this and a dash of that, and suddenly, voila, delicious masterpiece. It's amazing to see what they can create, right? Now imagine God as the ultimate creator, crafting each and every one of us with incredible care and creativity. 2 brown eyes here, some curly black hair there, and maybe a sprinkle of freckles. Each of us is wonderfully unique. This August at DSKids pre-K through kindergarten, we're cooking up a lot of fun as we explore these amazing truths together. Week 1 is all about how God made us special. We'll dive into Genesis 1 and Psalm 139, discovering that we are God's masterpiece. In week 2, we'll explore the idea that we're made in God's image. We'll look at how we're created to think, create, and help. Week 3 is going to be extra special as we learn that God knows everything about us, every hair on our head, our good and bad. We'll dive into Psalm 139 and Matthew 10. Our focus? I am important to God, who knows my every sin and flaw and gave me Jesus to take away my sin. In our final week, we'll celebrate God's incredible love for us. We'll learn from John 3:16 and 1 John 4 that God loves us so much that He sent Jesus to save us. We can't wait to see you and grow together in God's love.